In this video, I'll detail how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to use voice isolation to reduce background noise or shut off all background noise on your iPhone, then you need to manually turn on or enable the voice isolation on your iPhone. Literally, you need to turn on hard voice isolation before you can use it when you have an incoming call on your iPhone or you have an outgoing calls. So if you're done all of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on voice isolation on your iPhone, you first need to go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, I want to scroll down and click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down and click on audio and visual. Now, once you click on that, on this page, there is a feature called hard voice isolation. So if this is disabled in your home case, then go ahead and enable it. Then that's going to turn on the voice isolation. Then once you turn on the voice isolation, and when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, whether voice call or social media call, all you just need to do to use voice isolation is just pick up the call. Now, once you pick up the call, swipe down the control center on your iPhone like this, and then you should see the full control. Click on full control. Then once you selected full controls, you should see voice isolation turned on. And if you have the standard, then you can just select voice isolation, or if it is set to automate, then you can choose voice isolation straight away. Then that is basically how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone and how you can use it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.